Hello developers. Today I am going to explain about component creation on Angular. We have two types of component creations available in Angular. One is manual way, another one is through command. So firstly we will go through command. Ng generate for G, component for C, component name, any name we can give. I am giving new comp. See here HTML file for HTML code. Spec.ts file is for testing purpose. So this spec.ts file is not required. If we want to delete, we can delete this file. And ts file is used for logics and css file is used for styling. So see, like this we can create component. And second step what we need to do is we need to import because it is standalone components. Without normal components, it is directly in app.module.ts file it will install that urls everything. By using this command only it will directly import in there, but currently we are using standalone components, so we can add manually. Import this component, class name we need to give. This is the class name. From dot slash new component slash component. This component name we need to place here. And one more, by using this selector, this component selector, this is the selector name. This selector we can give in parent component HTML file. See here, like this tag we can give, and now we can run npm start command. See, this is the URL to run. See, new comp works. If I change here, see, so we can navigate the data from one component to another component by using selector. First, this is through command. That command is ng generate component name. Shortly ng-gc, that component name. After that, this is the standalone component, so we can import that particular component here. And then by using child component selector we can add that tag here. So from parent to child it will navigate, it will go. Firstly, our navigation start from main.ts. From main.ts, here bootstrap application component we are mentioning. Whatever component we mention here, it will directly navigate to there. See, it is navigating there. And here template URL, if we see HTML, so it will navigate to HTML file. In HTML file we are adding this selector name, so this selector is referred to this TS file. If we use any other component here, it will move from here to there, like that. Component to component data we can send. And this is command. By using command we can create a component. Another way is manual creation. Manual creation is we can create manually. So I am creating one folder, that is second component, second comp, and here we want one HTML file. So second dot comp dot second comp dot component dot ts. Similarly as here how it is, and HTML file second comp dot component dot HTML. HTML file, TS file and CSS file. Spec.ts file we did not use, means testing currently we are not using, so you can avoid that. These three files we can create. Then we can add like this, means import and component and export these all in TS file. Here this component URL we can give, copy the relative path, so this is file creation is done. Second step is like we need to import that file into parent component. Slash, and here inside imports we can. Then if I write any HTML file, so here this second component selector we can place in parent component here. Now we can run. See, this is new component related, this is second component related. So now you got clarity, right? If we have two ways to create any component, one way is manual creation, second way is through component. Manual creation, everything we can add like html file, css file, spec.ts file and ts file. Currently spec.ts file I did not added. Why? Because we are not going through this testing purpose. And second step is we can import those all data like class name into parent component. Third step, that child component selector we can place into parent component. And component directly if we create through by using command is ng generate component name. By using that it will generate directly these all files, then we can import those data to parent component. After that we can use that selector to child component, selector to parent component. These are two ways. If you have any queries in this concept, comment me, and if you like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you.